Are you looking for the top 5 best bandsaw blades for metal? I bought and tested these bandsaw blades specifically for metal cutting, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've been through my fair share of blades that just couldn't cut it, pun intended. After hours of testing, I'm here to share my honest insights on the top 5 bandsaw blades that really stand out in performance and durability.
Product number 1. FOX BC 44 and 7/8 inch bandsaw blades 1014 TPI. When I first unboxed the FOX BC 44 and 7/8 inch bandsaw blades, I was impressed with the quality of the bimetal M42 material. These blades are designed specifically for portable bandsaws, and they fit perfectly with my Milwaukee and DeWalt models. The 1014 TPI teeth per inch configuration makes them versatile enough to handle a variety of metal thicknesses ranging from 3/16 to 5/16 inches. I immediately put them to the test by cutting through some scrap metal, and the results were fantastic. The clean cuts and minimal burr left behind showed their efficiency. Pros: what I love about these blades is their heat resistance and durability. The bimetal M42 steel can withstand high temperatures without losing its edge. This means I didn't have to worry about frequent blade changes, which is a huge plus during lengthy projects. The package includes 3 blades, providing great value for the price. Cons: on the downside, I did notice that they might struggle a bit with thicker materials or tougher alloys, so if you're primarily working with heavy-duty metals, you might need something with a higher TPI. So why buy the FOX BC 44 and 7/8 inch bandsaw blades? If you're looking for reliable, high-quality blades for your portable bandsaw that deliver clean cuts and last longer than your average blades, these are a solid investment. Product number 2. FOX BC 44 7/8 inch bandsaw blades 1418 TPI. Next up is another offering from FOX BC. The 44 and 7/8 inch bandsaw blades with a 1418 TPI. These blades are specifically designed for finer cuts, and I was curious to see how they would perform on metal. As soon as I installed them, I noticed how well they handled delicate cuts without sacrificing strength. They fit perfectly on my DeWalt and Milwaukee portable bandsaws. Pros: the finer teeth make these blades ideal for cutting through thinner metals and provide a smoother finish. The bimetal M42 construction again shines through, allowing for heat resistance and weld durability. Plus, having 3 blades in the pack means I'm well equipped for multiple projects. Cons: however, they might not be the best choice for thicker materials. If you're working with heavy-duty steel, you may find yourself needing to switch to a coarser blade. So why buy the FOX BC 44 and 7/8 inch 1418 TPI bandsaw blades? If precision is your game and you need to make clean cuts in thinner metals, these blades are a must-have. They really help enhance the quality of your work. Product number 3. OnaGuard 35 3/8 inch 8 to 10 TPI extreme thick metal bandsaw blades. Coming in at number 3, I tested the OnaGuard 35 3/8 inch extreme thick metal bandsaw blades. Right off the bat, I was intrigued by their aggressive design, aiming to cut through thick materials easily. With an 8 to 10 TPI, these blades are meant to tackle tougher jobs, and I was eager to put them through their paces. I used them on a variety of metals, including stainless steel and aluminum. Pros: the most impressive feature was their ability to maintain sharpness throughout multiple cuts. I found that I was getting about 25% more cuts per charge, which was fantastic for my battery-operated bandsaw. The design of the teeth made for faster cuts without overheating, which can be a significant issue with metal cutting. However, these blades might not be the best for softer materials, as they could create excessive wear. Why buy the OnaGuard 35 3/8 inch 8 to 10 TPI blades? If you frequently work with thick metals and need a reliable blade that maximizes efficiency in your cuts, this is a solid choice. They truly deliver on their promise of durability and performance. Product number 4. FOXBC 64.5 inches by 1/2 inch by 0.02 inches by 24 TPI bandsaw blade. Next, let's dive into the FOXBC 64.5 inches by 1/2 inch by 0.02 inches by 24 TPI bandsaw blade. This blade caught my attention because of its unique design aimed at providing precise cuts in various materials. I installed it on my Harbor Freight bandsaw and was eager to see how it performed. Pros: the 24 TPI makes it a fantastic option for cutting through softer metals and non-ferrous materials. I was pleasantly surprised at how smoothly it glided through aluminum and brass without leaving behind rough edges. The bimetal M42 construction again proved its worth, allowing for flexibility and durability. However, for heavier steel or thicker materials, I found I had to slow down my feed rate to avoid dulling the blade too quickly. So why buy the FOXBC 64.5 inch bandsaw blade? If you're working on projects that require precision and you're often cutting softer metals or even wood, this blade is a great option. It offers excellent performance and longevity, making it worth the investment. Product number 5. Bosch BS6412-24M 64.5 inch -24 TPI metal cutting blade. Last but not least, I tried the Bosch BS6412-24M metal cutting blade. Bosch is a known name in the industry, and I was keen to see if this blade held up to the brand's reputation. I used it on several projects, and it was evident that this blade was built for serious metalwork. Pros: the optimized tooth geometry made for consistent performance on various metal thicknesses, and I was particularly impressed with its heat resistance. I didn't experience any overheating during extended use, which can be a deal breaker for many metal fabricators. Cons: the only downside I found was its limited compatibility with specific bandsaw models, so if you don't own a compatible machine, you might want to check first. Why buy the Bosch BS6412-24M? If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance blade from a trusted brand that can handle a variety of metal cutting tasks, this blade offers great durability and performance. In conclusion, selecting the right bandsaw blade can make all the difference in your metalworking projects. Whether you need precision, durability, or speed, there's a blade in this list that will meet your needs. Invest in quality, and you'll save both time and money in the long run. Happy cutting!